Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Robinhood app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign here, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on notifications and city in the messages here. Just click on it here. Then you will find here push notifications. You just click on it. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here crypto price alerts. You click on it. And here can you select here crypto price movements here in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.